Good morning, everybody. Today is March 6, 2020. Happy Friday. We're only minus 500 points down on Dow Jones, which is lately considered to be a good day. Because, at least we're not 1,000 points down. Well, it looks like the coronavirus is marching across the world and claiming more and more victims. This morning we got a new number, which is 100,000 people infected, and this considered to be like a milestone in terms of how this virus spreads itself across the world and across different countries. So at this point, the market, it looks like the market is almost getting used to the situation on with coronavirus, meaning that it constantly is going down. And the problem is obviously that we don't see any major improvements with the coronavirus in the next, I would say, few weeks, because vaccine, for example, it will take several months to develop. Antiviral medications, well, pretty much the same thing. They're trying to use the cocktail of different medication that were fighting other viruses, such as AIDS virus, such as certain anti-flu viruses. But again, this will take a few weeks to a few months to be released to the public. So the market basically expects already bad news to be arriving every single day, and people who are buying or trying to support the market, these are people that really want to just play kind of intraday game, meaning that they want to trade within the one-day range and see if they could grab the low bound of the corridor for the stocks, and then as soon as they make a certain number of percentage points, get out and a little bit on top, because they're fully expecting that the stock market will continue to slide. Plus we have a situation with the cruise ship, which is off the California coast, and the situation there is still unclear, because they are trying to they're trying to figure out if people are infected with coronavirus there, or is that something else. But just the sheer number of people that are sick kind of points to the fact that it's probably coronavirus, because normal flu is not that contagious, and usually it doesn't spread across dozens and dozens of people in the same place, especially if these people are not close to each other. So I guess one of the positive things that about the coronavirus in terms of the economy are some retail stocks. In particular, it is Costco. Costco, as you know, sells a lot of stuff in bulk, and I, for example, myself went to Costco just yesterday, and frankly, I was shopping for more or less standard things, but what I noticed was that there's a space where Costco usually puts the bottled water and some the paper towels and kind of like, I guess, sanitizing napkins. And this area of Costco looked like a deserted football field. I've never seen it, you know, clear of any goods, because usually it's like a mountain of boxes stacked on each other. But now it's just like an ice skating ring, you know, but it just, instead of ice, we have an empty floor. And obviously what is missing is the water, paper towels, cleaning products, disinfectants. So people got scared and started to buy all that stuff. And obviously this is great business for Costco, because these guys are making probably a ton of money on all this stuff, because you know, they've never seen such a huge shopping activity before. But obviously other products in Costco, such as canned food, rice in bulk, they do sell quite a bit of products that are you know, that are in cans, and with all kinds of conservatives, I guess, or I don't forget the name of it, but basically something that could be stored on a shelf for 1 to 2 years and still be acceptable for food. For example, Spam. You know, this is one of the interesting popular products still in Costco. So all those canned products are being cleaned out as well. And compared to this football field of basically empty floor, what I noticed is that products such as, you know, Spam and canned fish and tuna fish and rice, what happens is that usually in Costco we have like shelves that go all the way to the ceiling, and they're all full of products. And now the shelves are empty, so you could see the products a little bit on the bottom shelf for people actually to buy. But I mean, it does look like Costco was moving a lot of product. So you know, I would say that I think for this type of retailers, I would say Walmart, Costco, maybe even Target, but whoever is able to sell this type of kind of long-term long life on the shelf products, you know, they're getting kind of like spammed by customers and buyers, and their shelves are being cleaned out. So if you would like to know which other stocks to buy during the coronavirus epidemic, please go to the website stx.com. It will take you directly to the Apple App Store, where you could download, install, and run my app on your iPhone, iPad, and Apple TV. And the app covers 5,500 stocks with daily buy and sell recommendations. So thank you for your time, stay safe, and thank you for watching, and good luck trading.